Hello friends, I am Ali, your new friend. Today I will show you how to make words with letters. So let's get started. This is a and this is t. When we join them, they say at. Repeat after me, at, at. If you missed my previous video where I teach you the letter sounds, then press I button and watch it. Let's continue our lesson. This is at and this is m. When we add m before at, they say mat. Repeat after me. Mat, mat, mat. Remember, this is at and this is k. When we join k before at, this says k-at, cat. Yes, cat, cat, and cat. At, and this is r. When we join r before at, this says rat. What? Rat, rat, rat. At, and this is her. When we put her before at, this says hat, 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 hat. Bye bye, friends. See you later.